Hello. Today we are going to be doing Project 119, the old style typewriter. What you will need is a circuit board, 2 battery packs, SP, U4, motor, M1, R4, C2, S1, 1 5-snap wire, 1 4-snap wire, 4 3-snap wires, 1 2-snap wire, and 1 1-snap wire. The first step is to put your battery pack, your first battery pack, on A6. Then place your second battery pack on E6. Place your S1 across from the battery packs. Make sure that the line is pointing to your left. Then put your U4 on C3 and your 5-snap wire on G1. Put your snap wire 3 on C1 and your 4-snap wire on A1. Place one of your 3-snap wires across from your 4-snap wire and your U4. Then take your other 3-snap wire and put it across from the 5-snap wire and your U4. Then place your R4 across from your 3-snap wire and your 4-snap wire, your motor M1 across from your 3-snap wire and your 5-snap wire, and your C2 across from the last peg of your 3-snap wire and your U4. Last but not least, place your 1-snap wire on the top of your first battery pack, your 3-snap wire across from your other 3-snap wire and your 1-snap wire, then your 2-snap wire across from your 5-snap wire and your second battery pack, and your speaker SP across from your U4 and your 5-snap wire. The project here is done. When you turn your project on, you will hear nothing. But when you turn your motor, you can hear something. I'm pretty sure you can't hear mine, but you could hear an old typewriter typing when you turn it. Just listen closely out of the speaker and you will hear it. Just keep moving the motor. This is my project that I brought to you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.